In today's video, I'm going to show you the best ticket tool system for your Discord in a very simple, easy setup and absolutely free. Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and if you do own a Discord server and you want to help your community or your members for any assistance, for any tech support, you probably want to download a bot that actually can add a ticket system so you can easily help them out. The name of this bot is called Ticket2. So let's go ahead and jump in right here on the website. And what you're going to do here first, you gotta go to this Ticket2. This is a website right here. I'm going to leave it in the description below the website, so you can just click and go straight to this web page. And as you can see right here, you have to log in with your Discord server. So in my case, I'm going to log in right now, give all this page for authorization on your Discord. So you're going to click authorize. And once you do that, you're going to see that your server is right here. If you have more than one server, it's going to be all your servers here. Just choose the one you want to manage. You click manage your server, and this dashboard is going to appear to you right here. In my case, I already connected. So after you going to this page, what you're going to do, you're going to your server. Okay, so you're going to open your server, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to your server settings. In this server settings, you want to do two things over here. One, go to roles. And when you go to roles, you want to go all the way to ticket tool. You want to go to edit. And when you go to edit, you want to go to your permissions. And you want to make sure that those are check-in right here. The manage webbook, all this is checked like that. The attached files, all this as well. Just make sure you copy all the setup right here as you see on the screen. Okay. And the important thing I want you to do is go all the way down here on administrator and make sure this is on. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna go back. Second thing you need to do in your server, you need to create a role. You're gonna create a role. In my case, I create this role, RGB Rodrigo Gamer Tech Support Team. You can name that whatever you want to name it. So you're gonna go to permissions, and on permissions, you can leave this off. You just make sure send, create public threads, and create private threads right here is on. Make sure that use external sticker if you want to use it or not. This is an option anyway. User activities, and that's it. So you can leave it just like that. And once you're done, what are you going to do on your server before going back to the Ticket2 website? You want to go to your channels, and you want to create support ticket channel. You can name this whatever you want to name it. That's absolutely fine. Just make sure you create this channel like that. As you can see, the permissions of this channel, I just leave it for everyone is able to see the channel. And also, well, I put to not create any message, because in this channel you're not gonna send a message. This channel is going to create another channel, private channel, so you can go back and forth with your member or somebody that you're assisting with. So down here, just make sure the read message history is on as well, like that. And once you create this channel, you're gonna go back to the website, and now you're gonna refresh the page, and you're gonna probably see that all this right here is connected. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your server configurations. Over here, what you're going to do is, and in general options, you want to leave the command prefix like that. But if you want to change for exclamation, whatever you want to do it, that's fine. I decide to leave the default like that. In the dashboard roles, you want to edit the actually role that you create, which is not the Ticket2, is the one that you create, that we create just a few minutes ago. And then you're gonna put right here. Once you create, you put right there. You can leave this. You can actually change these numbers. I just leave it as 100 tickets, and you save it. I don't touch over here. We're gonna go to command configurations right here, and this right here shows that you can use those commands on your Discord to open, close, or delete tickets right here. This is all for your information. Over here on claim ticket, you only gonna be able to use it if you have a premium. Just to remind you, this ticket tool have a free version. That what I'm showing to you is our free version, but they have a premium if in case you want to use it, depending on the size of your Discord or community and everything. After that, you're gonna go to panel configuration right here. When that open, you're gonna create this panel right here, and what's going to happen, you're going to name your panel. You name it whatever you want to name. I did name our Rod Bro Gamer support team. You can put team, assistant team, tag team, whatever you wanted to name over here. This is gonna be displayed at the top of every panel. So this is what is going to be displayed. And over here is in case if you wanted to, your mods have this role to assist the other people. You can just go over here and select the mods, or you can select whoever in your Discord to assist other people as well. So in my case, I don't have it, so I don't have it myself, so I put my role over there. And the last part over here of the create panel, you're going to select your channel that you create on Discord, and for the support ticket, click create panel, and it's going to appear just like that. So also the difference of the free version and the premium version, if you go to settings right here on your panel that you created, you're gonna see several options that you can actually customize. For example, in the ticket options, you're gonna see that you can actually edit your ticket message to your member that is going to be helped. So you can create your custom message right here, and you also can create the ambient description as well right here. So those parts are free. As you can see right here is a white diamond. Red diamond means that you have to have a premium version to customize as well. I don't see the necessity if you're a small server, or you don't have that many people doing a ticket. If you do, then you probably want to go to a premium version. But as you can see, you can do a lot of different things, but it's mostly our premium. But for a very simple ticket system, it works perfectly. You don't really need to pay premium unless if you really want to get all the customizations. What you're going to do here, you're going to select the channel that you create in the Discord, and you're gonna click send. Once you click send right here, you're gonna go back to your Discord channel that you create, which is support tickets, in my case is support tickets. And over here you see that the panel right here and ready for the members or anybody who want to come in and create a ticket. Now create ticket is going to be done by the members or who want to be getting assistance from you. So this is what you're going to have in your part. This view right here that you see on the Discord is the view that you're going to see for yourself. Now let's go jumping in to the view for the user. Right here, you can see that is the user. He's going to see all those channels right here, and he's going to see this right here, welcome to support ticket, which is the channel that you create. So what the member is going to do to ask help from you, he's going to just click here to create a ticket. And if you see right here on the top left, you're gonna see there is a ticket that was created, number 0005. And now let's jump into the Discord that you're going to be viewing on your side. When you see right here in your Discord, all the way to the top left, you're gonna see that say ticket 0005. So the member did create a ticket. So you're gonna click in there, and in here in this channel, that's where you're going to talk to the member or somebody that is going to give you assistance, and you can send and exchange picture, videos, whatever you need to assist your member or your community. Once the ticket is done, or when whatever is being resolved is done, you're going to just go ahead and click close right here, and you see right here say, are you sure you want to close this ticket? This is just to make sure if you don't mistakenly press it, deleted the ticket, and you're gonna say yes, just close. And what happened is close right here. Now it shows as well that if you wanted to save a transcript, can reopen if you want. And this is the third time, just to make sure the ticket is closed for sure. You can delete it, and then once you delete it, it's done that way. It's a very simple way for you to put this on your Discord. I hope this video was very helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.